Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. In this video I will show you how to user login, means role wise dashboard. We have already done for middleware, admin, teachers and student and parents. We have automatic by default here to redirect, so we can create own folder like a teachers folder, student folders and parents folder. So first of all we need to create one controller, dashboard controller. So let's open our terminal. We can type the command php artisan make controller dashboard controller. I press enter. So he told me controller successfully created with he provided path. So I go to app, http, controller and dashboards. You can see it dashboards here. So let me open our root files, means web.php. I will declare here our controller, dashboard controller. Copy and let's see, spelling is not wrong. Perfect. I copy this file and I put here dashboard controller. So I will look for you dashboard. Here I will can pass dashboard. Also I can do here same as here teacher dashboards, same as students and same as parents. Change the words, change the words. Now we already created one function, dashboard function. We can declare here rule. Use auth. Go to auth controller. Just copy these lines. You can put here. Apps. Return use admin dashboards. So you can use teacher dashboards. You can use student dashboards and you can use parents dashboards. So we have created 4 folders: admin, teachers, students and parents. Go to resources, views. Inside we have already created admin folder. Inside dashboard we have already created before. So let's create a 3 folder new. Teachers, students and parents. And inside I will create 3 files, means so I create a wrong folders. Let's go to our projects and resources, views, admin. I copy 2 folders and I put outside. Okay, so you can see it here is admin, parents, students and teachers. Inside I will create a 1 file. So I copy the dashboard files, put parents inside, inside I put and teachers inside I put. So you can see it here, coding inside, parent inside dashboard files, student inside dashboard files and teacher inside dashboard file. Let's log in one account, like a student account. We can log in student @gmail.com 1 2 3 4 5 6, because we have already created here account student @gmail.com. I log in now. Syntax error because we have not completed semicolon every place. So let's complete first semicolon. Let me control S, save the files, refresh again. So you can see it here is open the dashboards. Here is the only you can do is just access about the student. Suppose let's make a here logout button. We can go admins, app, inside headers. So let's copy, this is the roots, let's copy this roots. We can put here logout button. And we logout. We have already created one logout routes, so it's automatic redirect and he can log out. I can show you what controller inside logout. You can see it. I refresh the page, so we can see it here, logout. You see, I click on the logouts. So this is a logout. Let's log in the teachers account. Teachers. And I already saved password 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now I log in the teacher. So you can see it, teachers. Let's make a different menu for teachers, students, and parents. And here we can create a one profile. So he's showing this profile, his name. Let's show in here name. Okay. So let me go to again back to codes. Let me find the code. Where is the codes? Let's copy this name and search here. Okay, I can found. So I take user or user's name. So you can see it here name. You can see teachers. Okay. Now we can make a root wise every menu, means role wise, not root wise, sorry. If for user type is equal to 1, let's copy else if and end it. So 1 2 3 and 4. I copy this is the only for admin. So going to admin insights. Admin is, and this is the going to teacher. So teacher no need like admin access. So just remove this menu, or we can type here teachers because we already create teacher dashboard. We can do inside dashboard. So here I will do is Alex student, and last one is the parents. Okay, here is the if else if we have set up. I log in as a like a teacher's account, so you can see it only two menu, dashboard and logout. Logout is common because we need to show all the account. This is we are not there inside condition. Also we are not set inside a middleware role wise, means root wise inside group. So let's log out. I log in as the admin account, so I can show you what's the difference. I log in the admin, so you can see it here is the two menu, dashboard, admin and logout. Because admin, I click on the admins, so it's showing the admin list. Last time we have created this result. In this video I will show you how to divide dashboards, admin and logout button with controller wise, with role wise. You can see it. Next video I will show you how to highlight, like we are going to dashboard, so only dashboard highlight here. Suppose I go to admin, so is the admin only highlights. Okay bro, thank you very much for this watching this video. So do you want to like this video, please like and please subscribe our channels.